Hi friends, and this is our new video about the Instagram application. Today we will show you how to manage the camera permissions for the Instagram application. So if this topic is interesting, let's go to the watching. So friends, if you have some troubles and problems creating and use stories and videos when you need to use your camera in the Instagram app, this is a really cool tutorial because right now we will show you each of the steps to manage your camera settings and get access to it to create a new videos and pictures for this app. So we just need to go to the settings application we can find in our phone. Just right now we have an iPhone, but in the same way you can manage the settings on Android. So all you need to do is to find the Instagram app on the settings on your device. We have it here. Let's tap on it, and later we have the camera inscription. Opposite it we also have some toggle. We need to tap on it to make it green to activate the permissions for the camera in the Instagram app. And let's check the result. I will turn off my app here to refresh it. Let's go again and swipe to the right side to create a new story. Well done, no problem. So guys, if you have some troubles, probably the problem is in the settings, and we also will help you. Where you can check our other tutorials to find out more cool tricks and cool tutorials about the Instagram and other apps. Don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a good day, have a good luck, bye bye.